So now we make a test outside, live in the garden with a new locomotive Deutz 122F. So it's remote controlled. We have on this side here the speed. On this side we have forward or backward, in the center neutral position. It's repeated with a view on the locomotive. Speed. And the gear, forward, backward, neutral position. Let's start the engine. So the housing is placed on the top, and now speed is increasing, decreasing, that works. And now put the gear in. Wow, it's running. So this is a very slow speed at the moment. Increase the speed. Neutral position, it stops. Let's try if it moves backward. Yeah, it does. Stopping again. Backward is much faster, but this is due to the fact that they have the gear in the back has a different transmission, but I like it more slowly because this is more realistic and has much more power for pulling off wagons, for instance. and stop. Okay, going forward again. The air ventilation is also good, so that the motor doesn't heat up too much, and there will be also water filling. But for these short runs it's not necessary. Ventilation is from the front, from the sides and from the back. So a few technical details. Now after the test in the garden, finally you have I use 2-channel of this remote control. It's a Spectrum receiver. We have 2 separated voltage packet or accu package One is for the machine, for the engine, generating the high power or high voltage ignition, and this is in this package, and you have a second voltage package separated electronically, which provides energy for the receiver and the servos. You cannot use one because they disturb the remote control, the receiver, and then it flips totally out, freaks out. So I had to separate these two energy sources from each other. The sparks inside here, they can generate impulses which disturb the remote control, and therefore this line here is shielded with a coax cable. You don't see it, but it's underneath. So there's a metal mesh around it which covers the whole area here, so that there are no impulses disturbing the remote control, the receiver here. This is important, otherwise you cannot run the machine with a remote control. Then we have this gear, as shown in the previous videos, forward, backward, but just flexible transmission, and the belts. That's all, you know this already if you watch the other videos. Then important is the measurements. You have a height of the whole thing of about 15 centimeter. The wide it is about 12.5 centimeter, and the length of the whole thing are 25 centimeter. Sorry. The trick is very simple, to cover it with one housing. There is no measure, no fixation. You just put it over the whole thing, and then it's already fixed. You have access from the top, opening this plate to see what the carbonator is doing, or if the remote control moves, but normally it's not necessary. You can also look from the side into it, but it looks also more fancy. Yeah, and this is a starter. It's a motor with a lithium-ion accu, so it provides much more energy and high speed with only two batteries inside, but lithium-ion. Lithium metal hydride wouldn't give enough energy to start the engine, but lithium-ion is no problem. Yeah, these are the details. And for the first start in the garden. So now I will build up 5 lorries to carry coal for my live steam locomotives, and this will be transported by these Deutz 122F. The lorry will come soon, and I build them up, and then this small train will carry them over the tracks to deliver coal to my Walter Kolb live steam coal locomotives. Thank you for your attention.